Virgilio, tinatanggap mo ba si Rowena upang maging asawa?
Opo.
At siya lamang ang iyong ibigin habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay. Okay.
Opo.
Okay. Rowena Vasquez, tinatanggap mo ba si Virgilio Aguinaldo upang maging asawa? At siya lamang ang inyong ibigin habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay.
Opo.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. But
Papasalamat ako sa Panginoon. Finally, nakatagpo mo na, Isa ako sa talagang very proud ngayon na eto na, wala na talagang atrasan.
You are the love of my life. Wow! Sa tagal-tagal na paghahanap, finally, the search is out. I will be loyal to you. Tutulungan kita upang makamit ang iyong pangarap. Kulang na isang gabi kung sasabihin ko ang lahat ng gusto kong iparating sa iyo. But one thing is sure, that I, Virgilio Aguinaldo Llamas Alvarillo Aguinaldo, promise you, Rowena Talabino Vasquez, to love you, with you, and share memories together till kingdom comes.
There's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you? But do you want to come on? I scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. Spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer.
Thank you for choosing me this time. I promise to show you every day that I know exactly how blessed I am to have you in my life. Let's build a home of laughter, love, and support. Let us create a warm and welcoming space for the good times and the bad. Let us be home for each other forever. And I promise to spend today and all of my tomorrows loving you. I look forward to continue praising God.
Open up your mind and see like me.